Hello team. Welcome back to our sales training micro-series. Today, we're unraveling the ideal customer profile, or ICP, in the context of account prioritization. Not all customers are created equal. Some are just a better fit for our product. That's where the ICP comes in, representing companies with a high likelihood of purchasing and a high lifetime value. In our cloud computing universe, not all customers are created equal as well. Some, like mid-sized tech companies, are a perfect match for our services. This is where the ICP becomes crucial, representing these companies with a high likelihood of purchasing and a high lifetime value. How do we navigate through all these different types of customers? It's simple. We identify, score, and prioritize. First, we identify. We look at our past successes, our best customers, and see who benefited most from our services. Then we score. We measure customers against factors like scalability needs, security requirements, and demand for uptime. The better they score, the higher they rank in our ICP. And finally, we prioritize. Let's call our ICP Tech Titans. They top our list, whereas local innovators, which represent smaller startups, and global giants, standing for multinational conglomerates, score lower on our ICP scale, though important as well. So, this is the ICP method. Identify, score, prioritize. That's how we ensure our efforts at CloudNet are aimed at the most promising prospects. Thanks for tuning in, CloudNet team. Remember, our success is about focusing on the right accounts at the right time. Until next time.